back to my channel, and we're gonna be making pizza. First, you need dough. Put flour on it. See? Get flour on the inside and the outside. First, roll it. And now you have to roll it. That looks really good when we cook it. It kind of looks like a flat octagon.
You're doing a fantastic job. Yes, look at that pizza. Oh, yes, it's going to be tasty. And what are you going to put on next?
Pepperoni.
Oh, what about the sauce?
Mm-hmm.
Yep, we have to put on the sauce. And then what's after the sauce?
Cheese.
The cheese, yep, and then pepperoni.
Uh-huh.
Yep, and we should warm up the oven to 450 degrees. You want that oven to be nice and hot. If you don't have a pizza oven, definitely be real hot. And over to the oven we go. And make sure there's nothing in there.
Mommy,
Green. There we go. 450 sounds good. Mm-hmm.
That means. Do it now. And then we put some cheese on it.
Cheese. Yeah.
Tell me when to stop, okay? You ate one. Pepperoni. Next. You put it in like a certain order. See? Looks good, right?
Looks delicious. Excellent job. Now we're going to put it in the oven.
Oh, I'm going to take it there.
Let's pick it up and carry it over to the oven.
It's a bit heavy though. Make sure you don't mess it up.
Okie dokie. Open the oven door.
You better not burn it.
There it is. And let's cook it about 10 minutes. 10 minutes. And start. And we will see you back in 10 minutes. Another great side dish to go with your pizza, mozzarella sticks. Yum, yum. These can be found at the Dollar Tree for only $1. You get this many mozzarella sticks for $1. Can you believe it? I can't. Oh, and by the way, here's the sauce I used for the pizza. Found at Walmart for less than $1. These can be cooked in an air fryer, preferably with no oil. 10 minutes and done.
Okay, now let's check on the pizza. Look how good that is. But no, it's not done yet. And then you'll see how good it looks. Bye. I did it.
Hey, thought I'd say hello.
Bye. Say hello. Hello. There's my sister in the background.
I'm the chef.
And I.
It has been 10 minutes and the pizza is done perfectly. Wait till you see this. Yummy.
When you try this, when you're done with it, it will blow your mind. It will be super, super good.
Look at that. That looks absolutely perfect. Perfection. We hope you enjoy. Please like our page and subscribe to our channel. Yay, don't forget, hit the like button. See you next time.
Bye. Bye.
Say bye, Bella.
Bye.
See you next time.
See you next time, guys.
God bless. Now, of course, we have to try the pizza. Parker, you want to be the taste tester here?
Uh-huh.
All right, let's try this pizza. And we're going to cut it. Where is the
Say hi.
pizza cutter?
Say hi.
Be right back.
Now let's try this.
Is it very hot?
Mm-hmm. Oh, good.
Ooh, but what about the pizza?
Really good.
Yummy.
Mm-hmm. Oh.
Too hot?
Okay, let's try this pizza. Two thumbs up. Really good.
And what do you think, Miss Bella?
It's a little hot, but it's 2 thumbs up.
Awesome.
4 thumbs up.
Okay, see you later.
4 thumbs up. Bye.
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 Ciao.